Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Goth, and tonight I'm going to do another cereal review for you. Dulce de Leche Toast Crunch. And yes, I had to look up how to pronounce that before making this video. I've been looking for this forever. I saw this like at least, I want to say 2 months ago on the internet, and I had not seen it in stores. I really only looked like maybe 1 or 2 places, but I mean, I kept waiting because I figured one of them would get it eventually. But first, I'm going to try it without milk. Here it is. Of course, it would also help if I told you what flavor Dulce de Leche is. It's a caramel flavor, but it's not like caramel. Like, I've never personally tried it, but supposedly it tastes like caramel. It's just like some kind of sweetened milk caramelized. But actual caramel that you eat has like sugar and butter and some other ingredients in it. I can't remember right now. This is definitely a cinnamon toast crunch cereal. I'll get that out of the way. Is it caramel flavored? I would say yeah. I would say yeah. I don't know if that's what I was tasting. I remember reading this on the side that it said caramel and cinnamon flavor, and I taste the cinnamon too. But yeah, let's get this in a bowl and see how it does. Normally, I don't really like to eat Cinnamon Toast Crunch. To me, I feel like it gets soggy too quick, but I'm willing it to give this a shot for you guys. Alrighty, here we go. I want to say I taste the cinnamon more so than the caramel. Yeah. But, I mean, you're not going to be disappointed with this, I don't think. It's just not as caramel flavored as what I would want it to be. Is the texture same as Cinnamon Toast Crunch? Absolutely. But of course, you guys can see that from where I put it up to the camera. Would I personally buy this again? Like I said, I'm not really a big fan of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So, I am, however, a fan of French Toast Crunch. That is the real deal right there. But if you like Cinnamon Toast Crunch, go ahead and definitely try this. But like I said, I wanted something a little bit more caramel flavored. By the way, guys, a cooking video is coming here soon. I just got to get the black lava salt in the mail. It's going to be Goth, my first real Goth food. So it's something really special for you guys. I've just been really tired and have not had a whole lot of time to cook. Plus, the one cooking video I tried to do, I kind of screwed up on, and then now I have no interest in doing it because I feel like it's just going to keep on screwing up again. But yes, I promise something awesome is coming. But that's all I got for you guys tonight. Do as I always say and just have fun with it. If you're going to eat cereal that you don't normally eat for a review, just have fun with it. If you're going to work in a power plant, just have fun with it. You won't though. It sucks. I've tried it. If you wouldn't mind subscribing and then hitting the little bell for the notifications, so that way whenever I post a brand new video, you'll know that the Cooking Goth has posted a brand new video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and a share and a comment for the algorithm, please. Have a great night, everyone.